head.
Nope. Nope. Oh. Well, good morning out here in a goose pit with Alex and Tristan. And I stupidly tried to go duck hunting this morning. Did not work out.
Well, I could tell. I was like, I'm going somewhere in a pit. I'm not going to an A-frame or anything.
That, yeah, I should have just done that to start with. But they got 9 Canadas, some snows, and a mallard. Invited me out here, so let's see what happens.
There's like 4 or 5 of them, yeah. Get ready. Front left. Just gotta get up.
Hey! Yep!
Hey!
Yep!
Hey.
Woo! Get up! Oh! My safety's froze.
Hey, at least we got the 3 greenheads left ahead.
Shoot!
Alright, I'll go get them. Okay. Nice. Good eye.
Yeah, no kidding.
Your safety was froze?
My safety was froze, or it had junk underneath it.
Couldn't get a shot off?
I couldn't get the safety off. Oh well. Gosh dang it.
That's the way I want them though.
Yeah.
Sit in the decoys for us.
Oh, okay. Well, hopefully I'm ready next time we have something come in.
Could have had your first field mallard, man.
I know.
Yeah, it's just not.
It's not my day.
It's not your deal.
Oh, we'll see. There. Had gunk behind my safety and trigger. Right up top. Right up top.
Here's front right. Shoot them up top.
Oh.
Nope, nope. Canada's. There's 3 ducks in the front too. Here, guys, get out the front, out the front, out the front. Get ready, there's 3 ducks here. Okay, see him? Kind of stand up, look to your right. Straight down the pit, down there a ways.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Coming back, get ready. It's gonna be right out the corner. Go ahead, get him there. Wait. Let him land, get these other 3 in. Go ahead. Come on, roll them! We got all the...
I got that far one. I think this is mine. Yeah, there he is. There, it's my first field mallard. Awesome. These are all big old fat drakes.
Oh yeah. We eat the corn.
Well, I got a duck. I'm happy.
I did not shoot crap.
It took me the 3rd shot, and then I just rolled him all the way out there.
Ducks?
Right out front.
Yeah, shoot him.
Dude, I looked up and they're just right there. I got one.
I did not get shot.
This is crazy.
I got more snow on my face.
Good shot.
Thank you.
I don't know what I keep doing. I could get my gun up. My clothes were wrapped.
Well, you
up
said
and stuff.
shoot, so I was like, okay, I'm gonna shoot. So
Got 'em.
there we are. I mean, that was just crazy. You just look up and they're right there, though.
Get ready, get ready. Make... Get him, guys! Tripled!
I got 2.
I stoned the shit out of a Susie.
Good pile of green.
Yeah, there's a Susie in there.
That's all right.
I slayed her.
I tripled. I had 3 green heads split off perfect.
I doubled. Look at these fat old mallards. That's awesome. But I lost my charging handle to my shotgun, so I only need 1 more mallard and I'm done.
Yeah, I am done.
You got
Alex
5?
is-
I've got 5. Yeah, we only need 1 more mallard.
Yeah.
Damn, that was quick.
Went from not shooting a duck in a field ever to almost the limit.
Those were pretty.
That was beautiful. Oh my gosh.
I started slowly bringing my gun up. Go ahead, get them there.
We still have the honkers to go. All right. Mallard limit.
Here you are, sir.
Gracias. No, it was probably about a half-hour duck limit. And some good shooting.
I think we tripled all but 1 group.
I think you're right.
Oh, where's that?
Ready? You ready, guys? Straight up the bat.
You guys got it.
Get him there.
Oh, no, I had 2 shells in. There he goes. Not retrieving geese. And the snow's coming. They got 1, they got 2, 3 little geese. So, did you see where that other snow goose went?
I see 4. We said we dropped 4.
I saw 3. 1 went that way and 1 kind of went that way, but I don't know where they went.
Fell hard right out front, kind of front right.
Well, I got 1.
Get down.
Here they come.
Shells. Sorry. Yeah. No. I'll shoot some of them snows in there. They just went to center over.
No. Yeah, we could have both shot at those with the snows in there. Oh, they're gonna be, yeah, they're gonna be.
On the other side. Shoot 'em there, guys.
That's what I was trying to do. Well, guess I'll claim one. Whoever wants the other. I'll take the juvie, that's all I can shoot.
All you can shoot. Those are the ones that usually carry bird flu.
Well, might have saved a few more snow geese then.
Or a duck or a goose.
Or a duck or a geese, yeah.
Balling up, straight up. Get ready, get ready, get ready. Get ready. Just wait. 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 Shoot him there!
Oh, my gun clicked. Crap.
That was sick!
That was awesome. Yeah, I only got one shot off. Son of a...
You did? So did I.
My gun, I don't know.
Rattled 3.
Froze up. Yeah, you shot.
Mine jam.
Shot pretty good. I think I was just off one. I was watching these two blues right here. I'm like,
I was just waiting for a good spot when they ball up.
yeah. No, you called it perfect. That was cool. Let's do that again. I think he was in the decoys.
Yeah, that's what he's acting like. He was in the decoy.
Because I looked up and I saw him flying off. Shoot.
I don't know how he was acting.
Well, there's your goose you heard. And we are calling that a day. Ended with 15 mallards, 18 snow geese, and 11 Canadas. They shot 9 of the Canadas before I was even here. My plan A didn't work out today. Alex invited me out and was able to make it out, and just in time for all the ducks. The ducks themselves, I was more than tickled. Got my first ever field mallard, so that was sweet. Got a goose, and didn't see a lot of dark geese. Saw some snow geese, and probably could have shot a little better on them, but what an amazing, fun day. Cold. It was very cold. My hood is frozen, so I'm gonna go thaw out everything and then I don't know, get some soup or something. But what a fun day hunting a blizzard and just decoying birds in the field. But that is all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Be sure to go out there and support those conservation organizations, Ducks Unlimited, Delta Waterfowl, and we'll catch you out there. Oh, see ya.